to Disney World. Yay.
Off to Disney we go. Let's roll, Marco.
Bye. Oh, wait for me.
Got it.
Here we are at Disney Springs looking for a hot dog. This is what we came for. Bill, describe it.
Hot dog with a bun that's dipped in French toast batter, I believe. Yeah. Thai peanut sauce, chipotle berry preserves, banana, mustard, honey mustard, bacon.
Whoa,
All in one hot dog. Thank you. You ready to go eat? Let's go eat, Munchkin.
There it is.
That was pretty good.
Marco,
Marco,
not gonna have any.
You don't have a mask on. Dig in. Dig in.
Did you get all the parts?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just like the British baking show. What do you have to say about it? How's the bake?
You want to be honest?
Yeah.
You're gonna definitely hate it.
Because of the
It's too
peanut?
much peanut butter for me.
Oh.
Oh.
It's like a weird mix of flavors. That is the right expression.
It's good, apparently. And then
You taste the hot dog, but then you immediately taste the peanut butter.
Yeah.
Okay, well, or the bread.
Becky would love it, right? It's just a lot of peanut butter.
Disney Springs. Yay.
Where dreams come true. Ready to go up here? Left? Can't tell. Yeah, I think so.
We are going for a walk at our hotel in Orlando.
Here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oops.
There we go. And a mallard. Lots of mallards.
Yeah, oh, she's feeding the mallards.
Do you want to go in the water? Okay. All right. Okay, ready? Go! Did you get some in your face? Where are we going? Here it comes. Hey, Sachi, are you ready?
Okay, one arm, boys, one arm.
Ah! Woo! 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 Whoa! Woo! Watch your head!
Heads down.
Oh no!
Dentro del barco y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Here we go.
None of us ever had.
Shit, watch it. Here we go. Ah!
Scary.
So scary. It's so gentle and calm.
It's pleasant.
That's the little one.
Oh, that just gets your heart going a little bit.
Here we go.
Woo! That wasn't it.
That was it.
No?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, must be done.
What do you think, Ma?
That was so good. I didn't get very wet. We didn't get very wet.
Like sometimes it doesn't like go to this
Mine
block.
won't.
Yay!
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 Ready? Set?
Are you ready, Olivia?
I don't know if I am.
Set, go!
A good one. Did you like it?
I think she was calmer about it than I was. I was like, I wasn't full on this thing, kid.
Lunchtime at Magic Kingdom. Olivia. Hello. Olivia went on her first ride ever. The Barnstormer, and she went twice. Hey, go up. Go, Grandma.
We're going up.
Hey, Marco. Hello.
What a great flight! Okay, everybody, now just hold your horses. Funny elements. I'm so double. Come tell us about it. It's been walking here instead. See you soon.
I think you just go back out. You want to go back out?
Yeah.
This is your ringmaster, Timothy Mouse.
We went down to be like you, and then we turned around and you guys were up.
Stay seated. Your seatbelt fast. Keeping your hands on.
You're approaching the unloading area. Please slow down and do not strike the car ahead. Please
Don't touch each other, okay?
Olivia!
Olivia!
Hello! Watch where you're driving.
You're approaching the unloading area. Please slow down and do not strike the car ahead. Cuidado. Está usted aproximándose a la zona de desembarque. Por favor, reduzca la velocidad y no choque el auto delante del suyo.
Yeah, well, by the time we figure out what the other person
Wave goodbye to my biggest fans. About those people, the ones on the ceiling. I've never seen those people before in my life. That's stranger danger. And about the sacrifice, don't worry, we're not gonna do it past the volcano. You're good for that. Hi guys, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Maddie. I'm gonna be your lion tamer, your snake charmer, your elephant trainer. And you guessed it, your dance instructor for the next 3 months. We're going to start with some quick boat orientation. If you guys look up, that's the top of the boat. If you look down, that's the bottom. If they switch, swim. Yeah, we're going to start here in the Amazon River, home to the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. But guys, if you look around, you can tell we just missed it. There's a giant python. You said snake. Stay away from him. He can develop a real crush on you. It's a very constricting relationship. Truly smothering. Yeah. We'll just
look at the sleeping zebra. He looks dead tired.
Check it out. It's the Jungle Cruise band. Yeah. They sent out a few days ago looking for a new drummer. But it seems like they found a horn in the end. Yeah, I'd really hate to be the low man on that totem pole. Does anyone know how to tell that they're Indian elephants? No guesses? No, sir. I told you twice we're in Cambodia on the Mekong River. Please pay attention. You know when you stay in the shower too long, you get all wrinkly? Yeah, if you don't get out, you'll turn into an elephant. I couldn't take those chances. That's why I stopped showering ages ago. Yeah.
No, what is it?
Oh, I don't know. I don't remember. What's the...
It's like a Cucamonga float. It's got like blue corazon.
I don't know.
I don't know. It has a
It's
CCG
a
in it.
non-alcoholic
Thing.
Marco, coconutty,
Yeah, coconut and I don't know what
vanilla
else.
ice cream. Oh, she has her mask. So Betsy. Oh, wow, that didn't
fun.
work. Goodness.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Is it the blue stuff that makes it taste like coconut?
It's gonna make a mess.
Green light, you can walk.
Here we are on Pirates of the Caribbean. It's very, very dark.